IMK here, bringing you another video. This time on the R32 here. Got the bumper off. It's zip tied, that little harness, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish cutting that, and then what I'm doing is I'm removing the intake manifold to one. I got some leakage here, you know, and then I'm gonna go ahead and replace the PCV valve, the diaphragm here, and I'm really doing this to be able to get to my O2 sensors, both my upper ones, as you can see there. They say you don't have to do this, but I am. I'm gonna be removing everything here and then going from there. And yeah, stay tuned. And really all I did was take the two top bolts out, the bumper off, of course, the 8 bolts holding on the bumper, and then just have this shifted a little bit, and in theory I should be able to get my hands in there and get the bolts, because they're back in there. But I got one here, you know, one on the end there. There's a total of 8 of them, so whoops. We'll get to it. Probably clean the valve cover up and everything. But yeah, for shit show. Let's do it. Stay tuned. All right. Intake's off. Probably took me an hour or so. Just because I've never done this before and didn't realize there's studs in here. Sorry. There's a stud there, so I was trying to yank up on it. You got to pull out first and then up. You feel me? So, got this off. It's pretty damn gross. I need to get this valve out here. And I think all that does is you just pry that out and that'll pop one out. But I gotta get that off. Valve covers next. Just a little bit of blase here. And we'll be able to take this off. Just bop. Yep. Cool beans. All right. Stay tuned. We got a little tear right there. Some more. All right, got the valve cover off. And those look pretty good. There we go. Now we wait on parts.